Why was the Henry rifle so effective during the Civil War? Imagine a soldier with a weapon that could fire 16 shots before needing to reload. Now picture how that would change the face of battle. That's exactly what the Henry rifle brought to the Civil War. Unlike traditional muskets and single-shot rifles, the Henry was a lever-action repeating rifle. It could hold 16.4 caliber rimfire cartridges in a tubular magazine under the barrel. This meant a soldier could fire many rounds in quick succession without stopping to reload after each shot. It was a game changer because it gave one person firepower that could match a dozen soldiers armed with standard weapons. The Henry's rapid firing ability was a major advantage. Skilled shooters could fire multiple rounds per minute, which meant they could lay down a continuous stream of fire. This was especially useful during intense moments like the Battle of Allatoona Pass, where a small group of soldiers used Henry rifles to hold off larger enemy forces. The high rate of fire helped them deliver deadly volleys that overwhelmed their opponents. The rifle's stopping power and accuracy also played a role. The .44 caliber cartridges packed enough punch to stop enemies quickly, and the rifle was accurate at typical combat ranges. Soldiers could hit targets reliably, making each shot count. This combination of power and precision made the Henry a very effective weapon on the battlefield. Another reason for its reputation was the psychological impact. Confederate soldiers reportedly called it that damned Yankee rifle that they load on Sunday and shoot all week. The name shows how feared the weapon was because of its ability to deliver sustained fire. Soldiers knew that facing a line of men armed with Henry rifles meant facing a relentless barrage. The Henry was also durable and reliable. Despite some initial worries about its delicate parts, tests and battlefield reports showed it could withstand heavy use without breaking down. Soldiers could count on it to work when they needed it most. However, the Union Army did not widely issue the Henry rifle during the war. Production limitations, high costs, and skepticism from military officials kept it from becoming standard issue. Many soldiers bought their own Henry rifles with their own money. Still, even with limited distribution, the weapon's influence was clear. It paved the way for future repeating rifles like the Winchester, which became famous after the war. In the end, the Henry rifle's high capacity, rapid fire, stopping power, and dependability made it a revolutionary piece of military technology. It boosted the firepower of individual soldiers and small units, changing how battles were fought. Its legacy is seen in the way repeating rifles evolved and shaped future warfare.